Starts on my palm and it softly moves back. I usually
As I always say, I love you, love. Happy first wedding anniversary. Finally, meron tayong araw na sineselebrate. And thankful ako kasi pinag-pray ko tong araw na to and pinagkaloob niya sa atin.
down. I sink into you and I let myself drown, but just in the best way. Today was the best
Actually, talaga to simbahan na to sa amin, St. Jerome Emiliani and itong Santa Susana Paris. Talagang napakaswerte sa amin. Lahat ng dinasal namin dyan, nagkatotoo.
And oh, I hope I never given up to you.
Eddie, sir, do you take Eliza Jane to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
Yes, I do.
Eliza Jane, do you take Eddie, sir, here to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
Yes, I do.
Sana yung challenging na buhay na may asawa ay kayanin natin. On my part, I will be honest, transparent, loyal, faithful, and loving husband. Oh!
Kinakabahan ako. Thank you sa lahat ng hardship, sa lahat ng sacrifices, sa lahat ng pag-iintindi. Masaya ako kasi asawa na ulit kita.
Maraming salamat sa pagdating mo. Ang ating relationship, sabi ko nga matagal na, hindi naman perpekto. Sana naman ngayon eh, maging payapat patag na. Magtulungan tayo, love. Thank you, Mare. I love, happy first wedding anniversary. Ito muna, tupalo yung susi. I love you. Itchin! Tupalo nga yung susi.
Love, happy first year wedding anniversary. I love you. Alam mo na kung saan gagamitin ang regalo ko. Haha. Pangpirma sa POP, DC voucher, real estate mortgage, charter mortgage. Haha. Pakigamit din sa lahat ng bagay na makakatulong sa atin sa iba at sa ikakaunlad natin. Again, I love you, love.
Sana, love, samahan mo naman ako. Samahan mo ako. Gawin nating magaan ang buhay. Gusto kitang maging katuwang sa buhay.
Just in you. Just in you. I'll trust 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 in you.
Promise to always understand you, not just you, your profession, and everything that you do. I love you, love.
Love you, love.
Love.